we knock it down, so turn the volume loud. Cause it's spitting to the head. So baby, make just like cake, better let yourself go. Let yourself go. I say fuck it, before we kick the bucket. Life's too short to not go for broke. Guess it's just the way that I'm dressed, ain't it? Khakis pressed, Nike shoes, crispy and fresh lace, so I guess it ain't that aftershave of cologne that made him just faint. Plus I